Praise God for another beautiful week. This week, we went to Hamyang with my husband and son to visit our family house. Every time we go there, I feel so relaxed. The place is so peaceful and beautiful, parang isang magandang pension surrounded by nature. One of the things I look forward is to mag-harvest ng burisu, para siyang mga cherry. We spend time together picking the fruits, enjoying the fresh air, and making simple family memories. Pag uwi namin from farm, inasikaso ko muna yung mga kailangan sa bahay. Then after my bunso fell asleep, I started making homemade burisu jam. It took me almost 2 hours and honestly, sobra at medyong matrabaho siya. Isa-isa kong tinanggal yung mga buto, pero super na-enjoy ko naman yung buong process. The best part, ang sarap ng kinalabasan. Even the leftover seeds didn't go to waste. Pinakuluan ko rin sila para gawing tea. For my jam recipe, gumamit ako ng 2 kilos na burisu and 1/2 to 3/4 cup ng sugar. Just keep stirring until it thickens into a delicious jam. Perfect siya pang spread for bread, rice bread, talk, and many other snacks. Simple moments like this remind me that God's blessings are often found in the little things, family time, nature, and food. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in Him. Psalm 34:8.
Ayan, sa mga oras na yan, di ko na talaga mapigilan. Tikim na ako ng tikim kasi ang sarap talaga niya. Worth it yung 2 to 3 hours na paghahalo, pagtatanggal ng buto. And di na sayang yung buto kasi ginawa ko rin siyang tsaa. Pinakuluan ko siya, ginawang tea. And ito, ready na siya. Lalagay ko na siya sa ref para mag-firm na siya at matry na natin kinabukasan. Ayan, tulog na silang lahat dyan. The next day, trinay ko na siya sa para siyang tok na may red bean sa loob. Sobrang sarap. Worth it talaga. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. See you on my next vlog.